And I am trained in the Arvigo techniques of Maya Abdominal Therapy. And this is a specialty that I learned. I went to Central America to study with a woman named Rosita Arvigo, who learned this modality from a Maya shaman by the name of Donna Leopanti. And so she overlaid her expertise of nephropathy, which is the study of ligaments, similar to chiropractic, with this modality that she learned from Donna Lehio, which was a blending of energy work with specific abdominal technique. And that's what I've been trained in. It's an external palpation of the abdomen that brings about change to the pelvic floor and for male and female reproductive optimization.